So guys, hosting is one of the most popular hosting providers these days, and they got like some different plans. So today I'll just break down that which hosting plan is best for you and what it comes with these kind of plans. Okay, so let's see the basic plans which are for like hosting small or medium website. We got like three plans, like single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. So single web hosting is like $199, and then premium is for $299, and the business for $399. And these prices can change, so check out the description of this video if you want to get the best discount on your hosting or hosting plan. And if we compare these plans, you can see single web hosting provide one website, 50 GB of SSD space, where the premium hosting provide 100 website and 100 GB of SSD storage. And the business web hosting, 100 website and 200 GB of SSD storage. So number of website is really easy. You know that how many website you want to create with the hosting, like one website or 100 websites. So you can see here the same in premium web hosting and business web hosting. Normally, if you are planning to create one website, that really doesn't matter to you if you want to create 100 website, because no matter how hungry you are, you will eat the same amount of food which can fit in your stomach. So they're offering 100 website, but if you want to plan a single website, then single web hosting is enough for you. Now let's talk about the space, how much space you need. So you can see the 50 GB of SSD space. So all these hosting have very fast SSD storage. And for single website, even for multiple websites, 50 GB space is like enough. So don't think about that you need like 100 GB of space or 200 GB of space. 50 GB space is enough to host all your website files, images, and even your email accounts. But now let's talk about bandwidth. You can see your 100 GB bandwidth, and then these two plans, we got unlimited bandwidth. If you have a small website, 100 GB is really enough bandwidth for your website. Or what else you can do with this basic plan, you can connect your website using Cloudflare, and you can really reduce the traffic bandwidth from your hosting plan. So when you use Cloudflare, all this hosting bandwidth will be diverted to Cloudflare, so you will not spend so much of bandwidth in your hosting plan. And then we have free domain, which costs $9.99 value. So what happens when you book a plan with Hostinger? With free plan, there is no free domain, but with premium web hosting, you get a free domain. And this hosting is like $1 per month extra and plus 3 months of free. And that is for like first years when you book the hosting. But when you renew, you can renew this hosting at $11.99. So the first time it's the same value for 1 year. Either if you book the premium web hosting or single web hosting, you get the same price. You can book the domain name from here. Or the best thing you can do, you should book the domain name from Google Domains or Cloudflare, because they got like free premium DNS feature. I created a whole video about it, what is premium DNS and how it can make your website faster. So I recommend you, instead of buying domain from Hostinger, you should buy domain from Cloudflare or Google Hosting. And then we have free SSL, which is same in all these plans. And then we have weekly backups and daily backup with business plan. I can recommend you to use a free plugin like Updraft Plus backup plugin, and you can have daily or even hourly backups of your website. And then we have like multiple features which are available in all these accounts. Just one need to consider here. It comes with like one free email account, but there are so many ways that how you can create free email accounts without going with the business plan or the premium plan. And then most of the things here, they're not really relevant for you guys, because you can see here the option are real technical, and you can see here they have WCLI, multi-site, WordPress staging tools, and object cache plugin. They're not really important for most of you guys. For example, object cache, which is you can see which comes with only with the business plan, you do not need that. For small website, you can set up like different caching plugins. I create so many videos about caching plugins. You can just check my channel. They're the most popular videos on the channel. So you can use those plugins and techniques I explain in my tutorials, and you can really go with basic plan and have very fast website. And then service and support, you can see they're same for all these plans. So guys, if you're starting your website on Hostinger, it's a single website, choose single web hosting. I hope you understand the reasoning why I said all these things. And guys, if you want to support a small creator like me on YouTube, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will really make me happy that you guys are learning something technical and improving web skills. And subscribing is free, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to watch a detailed video about what are the different hosting types, check this video on screen. And if you want to watch a video that how to pick up the best web hosting, check this other video on screen.